At the end of this video, you've got a perfectly working Bonk Bot and will be ready to trade Solana Meme coins in a matter of seconds. And all of this will only take 2 minutes, so please like this video since I'm not wasting your time. First step, download Telegram on your phone and set it up with your phone number. Optionally, you can connect it to your desktop PC or Mac to make things easier later. Then type in this link or copy it from the description. Other YouTubers will tell you that it is important to use exactly this link since there are many fakes. But the main reason is that the link in there and my description is a ref link. So if you type in exactly that link, I will get a cut of your transaction fees, but the fees will stay the same for you. So please consider to actually use my link to support my channel. Once you open the link and added the Bonk Bot to Telegram, type /wallet and hit enter. This is your wallet address. To be able to trade, you have to send Solana to your Bonk Bot wallet. So copy that address and send Solana from your exchange or wallet. Now type /settings and enable auto buy. Set it to the amount of SOL you want to spend per transaction. For example, 0.05 SOL. Now when you copy a token's address, you will automatically buy the current token amount that is worth 0.05 SOL. To check your positions, just type in /home and hit enter. If you've got multiple positions, you can open a single position using the number of the position. Just type / and then the number. Now you can sell. I hope this video helped. I will make tutorials on more handy and convenient Telegram bots soon, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. Again, a thumbs up would really help me. So see you next time. Bye-bye.